This is a song about someone whom I'm gonna meet someday. Cause she asked me to write this song for her. I don't know. Hope you like it though. It's just off the top of my head. Remember a girl from so long ago. She had purple black hair, and I know it proves. So does my age. Every day that goes by, and when I start to think I won't be there, it almost makes me cry. But then I think about it, I have to say, hey there, what you been doing all this time? Come to me and help me think about another rhyme. Come to me, thinking about what I say to you. And I know my day has gone through. I can pray every night, but that will get me nowhere, because he doesn't reply, and I really don't care, because I haven't raised Catholic. But how can I believe when none of my prayers been answered? Won't you let me free and let me carry on with what's going on and move on with my life? Oh Lord, you know I strive to go that way every day. I don't care why every problem I have been solved today, but I know we'll probably never see you anyway. I can't believe what's going on today. You messaged me a few times, so now I sing away. Here I sing, I don't know what to do. My days have gone through, and I'm crying, and you can see my tears. You can't hear my rhymes, you can't read my thoughts, you can't hear my cries. So I'll write you a lullaby when the time is right, and then we'll probably go out and drink. 'cause apparently I've already cried twice, and that isn't nice. No, that isn't nice. That isn't nice. No, it's not too polite. So I changed my riff tonight. Yeah, there you go, Mrs. Anderson.